Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account to your Clickbank account in 2025. So this is an essential step if you want to get paid from affiliate commissions or product sales. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for clickbank.com. Once you are on the home page of Clickbank, you need to click on the login option, provide your email address and your password, and you need to basically log in into your account. Now, once you are in the dashboard of Clickbank, you will see this is your dashboard. So you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on accounts. In your accounts, you will see your nickname. So you need to click on your nickname and then you will be landed on the dashboard of that particular nickname which you have selected. After doing so, simply click on this account setting option and then you will see all of your details like your email address, your phone number, your bunch of other personal details. There you will also see the payment method option. So you need to click on the edit option just right next to it. Then you will be landed on this type of page. Over here, you can basically set up your thresholds. You can click on this drop down menu and select your payment thresholds. After that, in the payment method, you can either get the payments with the help of the direct deposits, checks, and wire transfer. Remember that the wire transfer option is for international accounts only. So you can either select the direct deposit option or the check option. Since you want to use the bank account here, you need to click on the direct deposit option. And now you need to provide your bank details. Here you need to provide your bank's country, bank's city, and bank name. Once you are done with it, you need to click on the save changes option over here. You can also set a minimum threshold limit as I said earlier, so that Clickbank only sends money when your balance reaches that amount. So after clicking on save, you will have to wait for some time. Your bank is now linked and you are ready to receive your earnings. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.